Y'all know me. I have to record this. It's a fucking bulldozer. Oh my god. That bitch is... That bitch is If y'all couldn't hear me the first time, you better hear me now. That, people, is a bulldozer. It's a fucking bulldozer, and yes, it is pushing that tree that the driver of the bulldozer actually used his front motor to knock the tree down yesterday. And yes, that is why the tree is like that. Now let's see. Closer, okay. Whoa. The fuck? If I suddenly have to stop recording, guys, I'm sorry. I may or may not have jacked the internal cord. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, Jesus! What? Hold on. Yeah, that's I know that might be a stupid move, but... Okay, headset is on. If I can now grab the camera back. Oh, fuck. I saw that. Why is he coming to this? And I probably should back up. I probably should come back here in the window. Have y'all ever seen that up close? Because y'all probably won't get to see this again, so yeah, y'all better save this video. Y'all better save it. I'm glad I backed up. I'll have to get it to the video. Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all don't care if I put my finger over the camera. Oh, fuck, said, damn it. Yes. I'm not deleting this video. Please, y'all. Oh my god. That's a lot of roots. Somebody says that's a lot of roots. Yes, yeah, that is a John Deere. That is John Deere control. Better be glad I had this phone. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to